First movement, U up. 3 sets, 10 repetition. Next natin, second movement, U down. 3 sets also and 10 repetition. Sa ikatlong movement natin, kailangan natin ng tela na ilalagay sa leeg. Movement number 3, U neck. 3 sets and 10 repetition. Ang ikaapat na movement natin, bicep curls. Gawin din natin ito ng 3 sets and 10 repetition, left and right. Ang ikalimang movement natin, U head. Gawin din natin ito ng 3 sets and 10 repetition.